Welcome back, and today we start again with Baris Baktas, but this time focusing on how audience perception evolves when an actor deliberately distances himself from his most recognizable role. After Kensisekleri, Baris did not take a neutral step. He made a visible break by entering a historical production, which forced viewers to reevaluate him not as Baron, but as a character embedded in a completely different narrative logic. This kind of shift is often risky because it removes the emotional shortcuts that audiences rely on, meaning the actor must rebuild connection from zero. At the same time, Yagmur Yuksel's career trajectory offers an almost opposite case, where the emotional connection remains strong, but the next steps are less defined. Her involvement in Nüfer, although not widely discussed compared to her television work, represents an attempt to explore genre diversity. Horror demands a different kind of performance energy, one that relies less on relational dynamics and more on atmosphere, reaction, and internal tension. For a young actress, this is a valuable exercise, even if the project itself does not reach massive visibility. Returning to Baris, one of the most interesting reactions from viewers was not about his acting, but about recognition. Many fans openly admitted that they needed time to adjust to seeing him outside the Baron persona. This reveals how deeply a single role can imprint itself onto an actor's public identity. However, this adjustment period is also an opportunity, because once the association begins to fade, the actor can rebuild a more flexible image. Meanwhile, Yagmur's situation highlights a different kind of challenge, sustaining relevance without constant output. Reports of canceled or delayed projects created a narrative of uncertainty, but they also emphasized the importance of selection. In an industry where rapid visibility can lead to typecasting, taking time, even if it appears risky, can allow for more strategic choices that define long-term positioning. So when we analyze both paths together, we are not looking at success versus struggle, but at two forms of transition under pressure. Baris is proving he can exist outside a defining role, while Yagmur is proving that she does not need to rush into the wrong role. And this leads to a final thought. Does an actor's strength lie in immediate reinvention, or in the patience to wait for the right moment to redefine themselves?